The Material World 33. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the importance of having a positive mindset when dealing with worldly issues. It is important for Muslims to develop the correct perception so that they can increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This in turn ensures one gains peace of mind and body in both worlds, as it encourages one to use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
This correct perception is what the righteous predecessors possessed, and it is the thing which encouraged them to avoid the excess luxuries of the material world and instead prepare for the hereafter. This is an important characteristic to possess, and it can be explained with a worldly example. Two people are extremely thirsty and come across a cup of murky water. They both desire to drink it, even though it is not pure, and even if it means they have to argue over it. As their thirst grows, the more focused on the cup of murky water they become, to the point they lose focus on everything else. But if one of them shifted their focus and observed a river of pure water which was only a short distance ahead, they would immediately lose focus on the cup of water, to the point they would no longer care about it, and no longer argue over it. And instead they would endure their thirst patiently, knowing a river of pure water is close by. The person who is unaware of the river would probably believe the other person was crazy after observing their change in attitude. This is the case of the two types of people in this world. One group greedily focuses on the material world. The other group has shifted their focus to the hereafter and the pure and eternal blessings therein. When one shifts their focus to the bliss of the hereafter, worldly problems do not seem like such a big deal. Therefore, patience becomes easier to adopt. But if one keeps their focus on this world, then it will seem like everything to them. They will argue, fight, love and hate for it. Just like the person in the example mentioned earlier, who only focuses on the cup of murky water. This correct perception is only achieved through gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge found within the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 41 Fussilat, verse 53.
We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth.